Have you ever wanted to make some display text in your app selectable? SelectableText will give you exactly that. SelectableText has all the same fields as the text widget, so you can specify things like font and color. You can show where your selection would start with the Show Cursor parameter. Customize the appearance of that cursor with the cursor width, cursor radius, and cursor color parameters. To specify what actions are available after selecting text, use toolbar options. By default, you can select all the text and copy it. You can add an on-tap handler to respond to single tap gestures. If you have overflow text, you can scroll to select more text. You can customize the scroll behavior with the scroll physics parameter. Similarly, if you want to make your rich text selectable, use the rich named constructor. For more info on selectable text and all the other Flutter widgets, head on over to flutter.dev.